In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and verify a TikTok pixel for your WooCommerce or Shopify store. We'll go through the full process from inside TikTok Ads Manager, and by the end, you'll know how to connect your store properly and check that your events are coming through as expected. Start by signing in to TikTok Ads Manager. Once you're inside your account, look for Events Manager. This is where TikTok lets you create and manage data sources that track what visitors do on your website, such as product views, add to cart actions, and other important customer behaviors. Inside Events Manager, create a new web data source, also known as a TikTok pixel. As you set it up, give the pixel a clear name that helps you identify it later, especially if you manage more than one website or store. Then choose the setup method that matches the platform you're using. If your store runs on WooCommerce, the next step is to install the official or supported TikTok WooCommerce plugin. This plugin helps connect your store to TikTok without needing a manual code installation. After installing it, open the plugin settings and connect it to your TikTok account. Once that connection is complete, select the pixel you just created so your WooCommerce store sends customer activity to the correct data source. If your store is built on Shopify, install the TikTok sales channel or application from within Shopify. After that, connect your TikTok business account and your advertising account. During setup, make sure you select the correct pixel and also choose the data sharing level that fits your tracking needs. This setting can affect how much event information is passed back to TikTok, so it's worth checking carefully before moving on. Once your store is connected, visit your website and test a few actions yourself. For example, open a product page and then add a product to the cart. These actions help generate real events so you can confirm that tracking is active. It's a simple but important part of the process because it gives you a quick way to verify that everything is working. After testing, return to TikTok Events Manager. Check whether the pixel is active and confirm that customer events like page views or add to cart actions are being received. If you can see those events appearing, that means the setup is working correctly and your store is successfully sending data to TikTok. That's it. Once your pixel is receiving events, you're in a much better position to measure performance, build audiences, and improve your ad results with more accurate tracking.